English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Story name: 2 times. Once there were 2 friends in a village. Since they were born, they had their necks longer than other people. When people see us, they are laughing, speaking in a whisper. It's shameful, Maung Yoe. It can't be helped. It's simply because we've got our necks longer than other people. Out of the 2 friends, Maung Yoe was a young man of honest mind, but Maung Ba was selfish and greedy. One day, Maung Yoe gathered firewood in the forest. While gathering firewood, it was getting late in the evening. So, he was rashly looking for a place to stay in. Then, a strange house was found. As no one was in the house, Maung Yoe was badly shaken. So he was singing to dispel his fear. A male gnat who was peeking from the entrance said, "Your singing voice is quite good. Where did you get it from?" Maung Yoe answered honestly, "It's the voice coming out of my neck. Will you change your neck for mine through my power? I'll also give you the difference in silver coins. How about it?" Then, in accordance with the agreement, their necks were exchanged through the power of the male gnat. Next morning, Maung Yoe returned to his village carrying a sack of silver coins on his shoulder. With an honest mind, he truly told Maung Ba what had happened. It was like this. With selfishness and greed, Maung Ba went to the house in the forest and sang loudly. The male gnat was well aware that, driven by greed for a short neck and silver coins, he came here to sing, although his singing voice was not pleasant. So, may the length of your neck from which an awful voice is coming out get 2 times longer than it is now as a punishment. I just went there to get something for me. But now I have got my neck 2 times longer than before.
This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.